Morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine. Thank you. Today we shall discuss some arithmetic on boards and streams. Right? So, in water, the direction along the stream is called downstream, and the direction against the stream is called upstream. Could understand? What did I say? Direction along the stream. Direction along the stream is called downstream. Right? And against this stream, against the stream is called upstream. Could you understand? If the speed of a boat is in still water is u kilometer per hour, and the speed of the stream is v kilometer per hour, then speed downstream is equal to relative speed in downstream, that is means wait just downstream is equal to u plus v kilometer per hour, right? And upstream is u minus v kilometer per hour. Could you understand? So suppose u plus v and u minus v are given, then the speed of the speed in if the speed downstream is kilometer per hour and the speed upstream is b kilometer, suppose it is a and it is b. Could you understand? So speed in still water is equal to half a plus b. A means u plus b and u minus b. A means u plus b and b means u minus b. Kilometer per hour. Rate of stream is equal to rate of stream. Stream means jharana, you know, is equal to half into a minus b kilometer per hour. Could you understand? Again, so boat means nauka, stream means jharana. Could you understand? So downstream means along the stream, in the same direction. Mark that we have discussed in the train. While doing problems on a train, if the two trains are running in the same direction, we subtract their speed. But here it's just reverse. We will add here. If the boat and steam are in the same direction, we will add them. But in case of a train, we will subtract them. Could you understand? Train କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଗରେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଫେରୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ବେଗ ଫେରୁଥିବା ରିଲେଟିଭ୍ ସ୍ପିଡ଼ଟାକୁ ଆଣିବ ଫେରୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ଏଇଟା ରିଲେଟିଭ୍ ସ୍ପିଡ଼ଟାକୁ ମିଶା ହେବ. Similarly, if two trains are in opposite running in opposite direction, in that case ସେଇଟା ଆମେ we actually minus କରୁଥିଲେ, subtract କରୁଥିଲେ. Could you understand? But in the case of boat and steamer, we will if they are in opposite direction. In case of a train in opposite, if they are in opposite direction, we added the speed, added the two speeds. But in the case of the boat and steam, we will subtract. Could understand? Just reverse. So anyway, come to the point. Here U means what? First speed, B means second speed, right? Or U means the speed of a boat, B means the speed of current. Could understand? So relative speed in downstream stream is equal to U plus B and upstream is equal to U minus B. Could understand or not? Understand? Okay. Shall we move to the next sum? Yes, the first today's first sum is like this. The speed of a boat in still water is, this is easy. Could understand? What did I say? Is 2 km per hour. If its speed upstream be 1 km, then the speed of the stream is how many? Okay. So here again I would like to remind you, U means speed of the boat and B means speed of the stream. Could understand? So speed of the boat in the still water is equal to how many? The speed of the boat in still water is equal to speed of the boat in still water is how many? 2 km per hour. Right? Could understand? Speed of the upstream, you know, speed of the upstream is equal to U minus V is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Right? Implies that U means how many? This is U. This is U. U means how many? 2. 2 minus V. Yes, is equal to 1. Implies that 2, right? Could understand? Minus V is equal to 1. Just 1. Just 1. Implies that minus V is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus V implies that minus V is equal to minus 1. Therefore, V is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Could understand? The right answer is, which is the right answer? Number 3. Number 3. Okay. Thank you. That's like a
Good boy.
good boy. Next one is, what did I say? A boat goes 14 kilometer upstream in 50 minutes.
56.
56 minutes, right, thank you. The speed of the stream in the speed of stream is 2 kilometer per hour. The speed of the boat in still water is equal to how many? Let's do it. The speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream is equal to 1 kilometer per hour, right? In 56 minutes, how much is covered? 14 kilometer is covered. Could understand? In 60 minutes, in 1 minute, 14 upon 56. In 1 hour, that is, in 1 hour means 60 minutes, that is minute or 1 hour. 1 hour into 60. Could understand? So 14 for the 4, 15 the speed is equal to how many? 15 kilometer per hour. Right? The speed The speed of the upstream is equal to, you know, the speed of the stream is 2 kilometer per hour. The speed it is 2 kilometer per hour. The speed of the stream is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. Could understand? That means u minus v is equal to 15 kilometer per hour, right? Implies that u minus 2 is equal to 15. Implies that u is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. That means the answer is 17 kilometer per hour. Which is the correct answer? Which one?
Number 4.
Number 4 is the correct answer. Thank you. Could you understand? Next one is number 3. The speed of a boat in still water is 10 kilometer per hour. That means u is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. Could you understand? The speed of the boat in still water is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. That is u. The speed of the downstream, the speed of the downstream is equal to, that is u plus v is equal to, the speed of downstream will be 13 kilometer per hour, 13 kilometer. Then the speed of the speed, this is the speed of the stream is, so let's see what is it. So that's is equal to, so implies that u means 10 plus v is equal to 13. Implies that v is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. So that is 3 kilometer per hour. Could understand? So, could understand or not? Which is the correct answer? Tell me. Which is the correct answer?
10.
Which is the correct answer?
Number 4.
Number 4. 3 kilometer per hour. Number 4.
2.
Next one. Number 4. The rowing speed of a man in still water is 20 kilometer per hour. Going downstream, he moves at the rate of 25 kilometer. The rate of stream is equal to the speed of the boat in still water is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. U is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Could you understand? The speed of the downstream is equal to, downstream, you know, the speed of downstream is equal to u plus v is equal to, implies 25, right? Implies that 20 plus v is equal to 25, implies that v is equal to 25 minus 20 is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. 5 kilometer per hour. Speed of a downstream, speed in a downstream u plus v 15, speed in upstream u minus v is equal to 5. Could understand? So plus v minus v cancelled, 2u is equal to 20. Therefore u is equal to 20 upon 2 is equal to 10. Could understand? So this will be, what is it? 15.4. Speed is equal to 4. No. It's not wrong. These are not necessary. Just we have already got our answer. We have already got our answer. The answer is 5 kilometer per hour. Could understand? Which is correct? Which number is correct? Tell me.
Number 4.
Number 4 is correct. Thank you. That's like a
Good boy.
good boy. Next one is 5. A man can row downstream at the rate of 14 km per hour and upstream at the rate of 5 km per hour. Find man's rate in still water. Could understand? Could understand? Which number? Number 5. Number 5. A man rows downstream at the rate of 14 km. Right? At the rate 14, yes. Okay. Right. So a man can row to downstream speed in downstream. Look at the book. Is equal to 14 km per hour, right? And speed in upstream is equal to 5 km per hour. Total, so that means, wait, 19. That means downstream, downstream u plus v and u minus v. So u plus v is equal to 14, u minus v is equal to 5. Could understand? So plus v minus v cancelled, total 2u is equal to 19. Therefore u is equal to 19 upon 2 is equal to how many? 9.5. Could understand? 9.5 km per hour. So what is asked? Find man's rate in still water. So man's rate in still water, that is u is man's rate in still water is equal to 9.5 km per hour, and the answer is, which is the right answer? Which is the right answer?
Number 1.
Number 1 is the right answer. Could understand? Okay, now let's move to number 6. A man can row downstream at this rate of 16 km per hour and upstream at the rate of kilometer. Find the man's rate in still water. This is like a question number 5. Could understand? You can do it. Right? Leave it. A boat moves with a speed of 11 km per hour along the stream and 7 km per hour against the stream. The rate of the stream is dash kilometer. Okay, the same thing. Question number, u means speed of the boat, v means the speed of the stream, you know. So u plus, what is given? U plus v is equal to 11 km per hour. Similarly, u minus v is equal to 7 km per hour. Let's see. A boat moves speed of 80 km per hour along the stream. Along stream plus against is minus. So let's do it. Plus b minus b cancelled. Could understand? So 2u is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour. Could understand? So u is equal to 18 kilometer upon 2 is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. 9 kilometer per hour. Another is u plus v is equal to 11 kilometer per hour. Right? Implies that 9 plus v is equal to 11, implies that v is equal to 11 minus 9 is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. So the rate of the stream is equal to u is equal to, I told you u is equal to so stream is equal to, that is 2 kilometer per hour. Could you understand? Right answer is, tell me, which is the correct answer?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Number 3 is the correct answer. Next one is 8. Could you understand? A man rose upstream 11 kilometer and downstream is 26 kilometer, taking 5 hours each day. The velocity of the current is 10 kilometer. Okay. U plus V, sorry. U minus V is equal to 11 in 5 hours. Implies that 11 in 5 hours. Could you understand? So implies that u minus v is equal to 11 upon 5 in 1 hour. Could I wait just a minute? In 5 hours, u minus v is equal to 11. Therefore, in 1 hour, u plus u minus v is equal to 11 upon 5. Similarly, in 5 hours, u plus v is equal to 26. In 1 hour, u plus v is equal to 26 upon 5. Could you understand? That means u minus v is equal to 11, u plus v is equal to 20, 11 upon 5, 26 upon 5. Implies that minus b plus b cancelled, right? And 2u is equal to 11 upon 5 plus 26 upon 5. Implies that 2u is equal to how many? 5. Could you understand? 5 and 11 plus 26 is equal to 37 upon 5. Next one is equal to, we will calculate V. Could you understand? So here, just u minus v is equal, u plus v is equal to 26 minus 5, u minus v is equal to 11, 5. So minus plus minus cancel. Sorry. U cancelled. 2v 2v is equal to 26 upon 5 minus 11 upon 5. Implies that 2v is equal to 5. 26 minus 11 is equal to 15. 2v is equal to 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. Therefore v is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to 1.5 kilometer. Could you understand? 1.5 kilometer. Their answer is, what did I say? Answer is 1.5 kilometer. Which is the correct answer? Tell me. Number 8.
Number 8. Number 3.
3. 3 is the correct answer. Thank you. Could you understand? Next one is 9. What did I say? 9. So, a man can row 4.5 km per hour in still water, and he finds that it takes him twice as long as to row up as to row down the river. Find the rate of the stream. So man's speed in still water is u. You know u is equal to how many? 4.5 km per hour. Right? That is u. And as per the question, 2 into u minus v is equal to u plus v. Could you understand? So implies that 2 into 4.5 minus v is equal to 4.5 plus v. Implies that, could you understand? 9 minus 2v is equal to 4.5 plus b. Implies that 9 minus 4.5 is equal to v plus 2v. Just 1 minute. V plus 2v. So, implies that 3v is equal to 4.5 km per hour. Therefore, v is equal to 4.5 upon 3 is equal to 1.5 km per hour. Could you understand? The right answer, which is the correct answer? Tell me. Number 2 is the correct answer. Thank you. That's like a goodbye. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long as to row up as to row down the river. Find the rate of the stream. It is like just like the question number 9. You can do it. Could you understand? I think I should not work out the sum here. You will do it with this. That is the end of today's math class. We shall have other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.